Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive, stock number B9523P. 70,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, which also includes 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Along with customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put in sport mode. Touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, as well as compass display. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.